1.6 in it. It's only got 1,000 miles since the rebuilt on the engine. It's very cold out here, guys, so I'm trying my best to hold the camera as straight as possible, but here you have it. Chevy Chevelle. Again, body's nice and straight. No dents, no dings. Runs good. You hear that exhaust. I'm going to pause for a minute while I open the hood, show you some videos of the engine. Here it is, 306. Again, fresh built, only 1,000 miles since done. Show you a quick video of the interior. Is brand new panels, brand new seats, everything's new. Everything is new. Everything from the seats top, the liner, again, everything is new. Interested? Give me a call. 4-speed on the floor. Nice car. If you're interested, give me a call.